Hey everybody, thanks for checking out Guarantee's website. My name is Jason Fairchild, and today we're going to go over a Forest River Rockwood A122 THESP. It's a 2018 model. So we're going to start off on the inside, and then we'll finish off on the outside going over the exterior features. Follow me. Love, love, love this floor plan. It's just simple and basic. Up front, we've got the booth, dinette, which is currently made down into the second sleeping area. So we'll just pop our cushions out, pull our table up, pop those legs up, and we've got our booth dinette in action. Down below there you do have an LP furnace, but one of the cool features in this trailer, is the Cool Cat heat pump. So that will cool or heat. Now that's only going to run off electricity, so if you don't have access to electricity, you're stuck with the LP furnace, and you don't have a way to really cool this. So you've got your main sleeping area here in the back. And below it, another cool feature is all this storage down below there. So it does come with a porta potty. There's a table, I'll show you where that mounts on the outside. And there's actually your 30 amp power cord is stored down there right now as well. So we do have a sink with hot and cold running water. Good storage down below it there. 3-burner stove with this flush mounted cover, which I just love. Refrigerator here. And then across from us, it's kind of hard for you to see, but there is a microwave there and a drawer down below it. And then actually some really good storage right here, which it's cool because you can get to this from the inside or the outside. There is a door over here in the front, right here, that allows you to get to that stuff as well. Moving down the trailer, you do have a full-size grab handle. Got 110 power there. You got your amber light, your antenna for your AM/FM stereo with an outside speaker to listen to that music. This rail right here is where the barbecue that comes with it will mount. That was actually stored under the dinette currently. And there's also a table stored under here that will mount on here for prepping. The barbecue does run off your onboard propane, so you do not need to bring additional propane tanks with you. This storage, again, it goes underneath that bed there. Full-size spare tire, and the ESP comes with the bigger tires and wheels, so that's cool that they give you a full-size spare. Wi-Fi extender, LEDs throughout. I love this storage feature. So you're always bringing heavy stuff, right? And it's always a bear to get to when it's stuck in that storage area. Well, if you put it in this tray, it makes it real convenient getting to that stuff. This is the back of that heat pump right here. This is for your potable water fill, so if you're taking water with you, this is where you'll put it in. This is your cable. This is your gray dump here. So you'll just undo that and it's going to start coming out, so you want to have a bucket or a basin there to catch that gray water, and then just take it over and dispose of it properly. If you're staying in a park, you'll want to use city water, and this is where you'll connect to that. This is a hot and cold outside shower. Back of the fridge, really just access for a refrigerator technician if that's necessary. This is the LP furnace exhaust. So this does get hot. Let folks going with you know that not to touch this because it can burn. Here we've got a high pressure sprayer that connects in here. It comes with the sprayer and the nozzle already in here. So that's nice. This is where the 30 amp power cord will connect. This is your water heater here. And this is a 4x8 rack up here. It can hold motorcycles, quads, tons of coolers, firewood. It's just great for holding stuff. Super neat feature of this trailer. Also has an electric tongue jack. I want to thank you for taking the time to check out Guarantee's website. Again, my name is Jason Fairchild. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057. I hope to see you soon. Have a great day.